Rosedale, let's talk about it. You don't really have too much going on in Rosedale. There's no condos, there's no co-ops, mainly townhouses. Let's talk about your 2022 versus your 2023 Q1 through Q3. Let's go. What's going on, good guys? Chris Newton here, Chris Newton Real Estate, chrisnewtonrealestate.com. Like, comment, subscribe. There you go. I hope I subscribe. Said it 8 times. Now, Rosedale, this is actually going to be a quick one for you guys. Little further up in New York. This isn't in the boroughs per se. This is more so kind of going towards the Long Island area. Rosedale is mainly for quiet, and you got a lot of space. So a lot of people like going to Rosedale. All right, so this is more so like the Queens aspect, right? Rosedale. You're not getting out there by the J train, not getting out there by the A and the C train. It's not happening. But you may take the Long Island Railroad out there and drive in a lot of buses. All right. Let's talk about it. Rosedale, 2022 versus 2023 Q1 through Q3, all right? We're only doing Q1 through Q3. Sales, in 2022, we had 127 sales in townhouses. In 2023, we had 105. That's a 22 difference, right? So we sold less properties, we sold less townhouses in 2023 than we did in 2022, all right? Is this due to interest rates? Who knows, right? Let's continue. Let's talk about the average price. So the average price, sales price in 2022, again, Q1 through Q3, right, was $757K. In 2023, it was at $737, so that's a $20K drop. Again, so now we sold less properties for less money. Let's look at the days on the market. Ooh. Whew. All right, so days on the market in 2022, 43 days on average. So this is about a month and 2 weeks, about a month and a half. I want to somewhere in the circumference of that. 2023, 82 days. Woo! This is almost 3 months on the market. 39-day difference. So we spent over a little bit more than a month on the market, a little bit more than a month more on the market than we did in 2022. So as far as the 20K percent, as far as the 20K, there was a 2.64 difference, 2.64% difference in 2023 versus 2022. So we are down. Rosedale, it's not the end of the world. Your price points are still great, especially for the area. Taxes aren't too high in my opinion. There's still tons of value there. 20K price point difference isn't too crazy. And selling, well, we sold 22 less properties, but it's not the end of the world, right? You guys have any questions about Rosedale? You guys want to see Rosedale? You guys want me to do some videos showing some properties out in Rosedale? Let me know, comment below, like, comment, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, get them numbers up. Talk to you guys soon.